हेलो एंड वेलकम यू टू स्पेनिश दुनिया। मैं हूं विकास कुमार नीति। लेट्स सी 7 days of the week in Spanish. 7 días de la semana en español. One of the most basic element of the Spanish language is the days of the week. Knowing the days of the week is essential for basic communication and everyday life in Spanish-speaking countries. The days of the week in Spanish are similar to the English days of the week, with some differences in pronunciation and spelling. Here are the 7 days of the week in Spanish. Los días de la semana: lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo. 7 days of the week. Lunes is Monday. Martes is Tuesday. Miércoles is Wednesday. Jueves is Thursday. Viernes is Friday. Sábado is Saturday. Domingo is Sunday. Use of days in a sentences, or how to use days in a sentences. ¿Qué día es hoy? What day is it today? Hoy es domingo. Today is Sunday. Mañana es lunes. Tomorrow is Monday. Overall, understanding the days of the week is an important aspect of learning Spanish and communicating with Spanish speakers. By familiarizing yourself with these basic words, you can start to build your vocabulary and communicate more effectively in Spanish-speaking countries. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe it. Thank you.